Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So dito ngayon, meron tayong ginagawa. Another day, another printing na naman tayo guys. Ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Magpiprint na naman tayo ng lanyard idealist printing. So the quality, as you can see, quality tayo dito guys. Para masatisfy talaga yung mga clients natin. Yung mga logo nila. So yung customer para natin dito is from Sarangani Province. Glan Sarangani Province sila guys. Ito po ay Glan Institute Technology na lanyard. Ayan. Yan yung quality of printing natin dito guys. So makita nyo, yan yung full image nya guys. Full image. Maganda to pag na-press na to guys. Maganda na ito pag na-press natin dun sa heat press natin. After natin dito, proceed na naman tayo dun sa heat press processing area na yan guys. Tapos assembly, and then afterwards delivery na after ng assembly guys. So dito, ito yung quality natin. Yan yung print out ng ating machine. Quality print, quality product tayo dito guys, and then quality na rin yung mga output talaga natin because we're aiming for high quality para sa mga client natin. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Lad Support. I hope you follow our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. And then doon meron talagang pinaulit-ulit ko to guys. Inuulit-ulit ko. Meron tayong tutorial for printing doon sa ating YouTube channel. You can visit there and watch the tutorial for basic